What's up, guys? I'm Gerry from Lawn Brothers. I came to Ian's Building Better Connections event, and this was a 3-day event. Day one, we did Nantucket with a private plane on the way back. Second day, we did Cape Cod, and it was just really cool to get on all his job sites, see them all, check them out, and they're really impressive because they're all large-scale projects, and you get little ideas and tricks of the trade of how to operate and how to run those size projects. So it was really nice getting to check that out. And then today we just finished up our classroom event, and it was really cool because we met with landscape architects, designers, and we got to hear from them of what they like to see out of companies, how to connect with them, and how to develop that connection, that bond, to be able to really do business together and build luxury real estate like Ian's doing. Because I know for me, that's my goal. I want to be able to create stuff that's really cool and out of this world, where people pull up to properties and they're like, how the hell did they do that? And Ian's doing a lot of that type of stuff. So, and the way he's doing it is he's connecting with these builders, these architects, these designers, and he's showing you how to do it. So if you're interested in getting in and getting involved in something like this, I would highly suggest the next event that he has to come out, check it out. Well worth the time. And honestly, it's not even just about the event, even though it was so amazing, but connecting with everyone as well. You know, being in a house with everyone, it was absolutely amazing. So highly suggest it. You should come out to the next one. I hope to see you there.